Hello, friends. Merry Christmas. And guess what time it is? I've got some gifts from Santa because I have been good. And I've got three gifts. Can you show me your three fingers, friends? Three. Now let's count. One, two, three. Yes, I've got three gifts. Now it's time for us to unbox the gifts. Yes, let's get into it. So, my first gift is, are you ready? Do, 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 do. Wow, a colorful and a beautiful truck. Yeah, this is so lovely and beautiful. I like trucks. Thank you, Santa, for my first gift. Let's see the second gift now. Are you ready? Let's see what it is. Wow, this is a flashcard and it will help me to learn my numbers more, my alphabet, first words, colors, and shape. Oh, Santa, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you. I love my gift. And the third gift, which is the last one, let's see what it is. Do-do-do-do-do. Wow. This is a magnetic learning board, and this will help me to learn my numbers, colors, shape, and alphabet some more. Wow, this is lovely. Thank you so much, Santa, for my gifts. I love all of my gifts. Thank you.